In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your ClickBank account password. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your ClickBank account and that you're using a secure, trusted device with a stable internet connection. It's always a good idea to double check that you're on the official ClickBank site and that your browser shows a secure connection. Start by opening your ClickBank dashboard. This is the main landing area where you can see an overview of your account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken there automatically. If not, simply access your account as you normally would and proceed to the dashboard view. Keeping your password up to date from here helps ensure you're making changes in the right place with the most current interface. From the dashboard, go to your profile. Depending on your screen size and layout, you'll typically find profile in the navigation area, often in the top menu or on the left-hand sidebar. Click into Profile to access your account details. This section is where personal information, security settings, and other account preferences are organized, so it's the natural place for password updates. Inside the Profile page, look for the Password area and select Change. The Change option is usually displayed alongside your password settings. Clicking it will open the Password Update panel or a dedicated page for security changes. On this screen, you'll see guidance from ClickBank about password rules, like minimum length or character requirements. Follow the on-screen prompts to move through the update. If the site provides indicators for password strength, use them to fine-tune your new password until it meets or exceeds the recommended criteria. A few helpful tips as you complete this change. Choose a password that's long, unique, and hard to guess. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that could be easily associated with you. Consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store strong passwords securely. If your browser offers to save the new password, ensure the device is private and protected before accepting. When you finish, give yourself a moment to confirm that you can access the dashboard again without issues, just to be sure everything updated correctly. That's it. You opened your ClickBank dashboard, navigated to Profile, and selected Change to update your password. Keeping your credentials fresh and secure is one of the simplest ways to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to secure your other important accounts with similarly strong passwords to maintain consistent protection across the board.